everyone, it is Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my ThredUp unboxing. I can't wait to get into this box. If you are joining me for the first time, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing and tapping the bell so you'll get a notification of my future videos. I make videos all about women's clothing, women's fashion. So I hope you will join me again. Hello to all my returning subscribers. Things have been crazy in a very, very good way. So if you don't know me and are just meeting me for the first time, I am currently living in a temporary rental home. I am moving, but most of my wardrobe has moved ahead of me. I have found that I do not have a warm winter jacket. I have a lot of lightweight jackets and cardigans, stuff like that, but I am truly in need of a cozy, heavier weight jacket. And I thought, why not try another ThredUp box? Because my stylist, my treasure hunter at ThredUp has done such a wonderful job at picking pieces that I truly enjoy wearing. So I put in a request for another goodie box. Let me tell you a little bit about ThredUp. It's an online consignment shop. All you need to know about ThredUp will be listed in the description box below. But basically what I did is I filled out a style profile. I let my stylist know my sizes, my style preferences, and what stores I like to shop in. And she put together a box for me of items she thinks I might like to try. There's a $10 charge. They charge that when they send the box, but shipping is free both ways. They send like 10 to 12 items. I try them all on at home and decide which ones I want to keep. I have 7 days to decide. And I think that's really wonderful because sometimes I need a little time to decide, especially when they send such a big box full of wonderful items. Like I said, you have 7 days to try everything, decide what you want to keep, and any items that you want to send back, you just put right into the same box, tape it up, drop it off at the post office. Easy peasy. This is a great service. I've already tried everything on. I will show you the try on and let you know my thoughts about each item that I received. ThredUp sends me an invoice, and that tells me the estimated retail value if I was to purchase the item new and the ThredUp price. And of course they send the mailer. I just put the mailer right back on this box and it's ready to go. The first item I will talk about are some jeans. These are my limited edition. The retail value on these are $48 and ThredUp's price is $17.99. I am not going to show you a try on of these because they were just too snug. Yeah, I'm embarrassed to say I have put on weight and I have not changed my sizes with ThredUp. The denims that they sent were really too tight, but these just too tight to even film, but they're a really nice pant with very little wear on them. And I'm really sorry that I didn't change my sizes, honestly, because this is a nice denim for $17.99. The next piece is this Moda International jacket. This is a little pea coat. I love the texture and the color on this coat. I would wear this as an everyday coat. Like that it matches some boots that I recently bought. I think this has a lot of character. The ThredUp price on this is $71.99 and my price would be $29.99. This is a very heavyweight jacket. It's got the double-breasted look, although it only buttons on one side. This jacket is new with tags. No one has ever worn this jacket, as with many of the jackets I received in today's box. And you'll see in the try-on that there was some gapping in the back, but that's because the vents haven't been cut in the back. If I decided to keep this, I would cut those vents and have a better fit in the back. I really like this jacket. I'm going to need your feedback on this jacket. And what do you think? Did it look okay on me? Because I'm strongly considering keeping this jacket. It just screams Kelly. Next up is a sweater by Lelise in this burgundy color. And this sweater has a double V. It's a V in the front and a V in the back with this strap in the back. And we also have a faux wrap detail. And it is secure though at the neckline, so I appreciate that. This is a super soft fabric. I actually liked the way it looked. When I unboxed it, I wasn't real impressed with it, but once I put it on, I kind of liked it. The estimated retail on this sweater is $119. I have never paid $119 for a Lelise. This is not cashmere. This is a polyester rayon sweater. The ThredUp price is only $21.99. Now, I am thinking about purchasing this sweater only because it looks great. It feels great. And I'm kind of surprised by that. What did you think about this sweater? Please let me know about this one because this is another contender. Next up are some jeans by The Gap. These are the Super Slimming True Skinny. And these are in my size, but you know what? They're too snug too. It's only because I've been putting on weight and I have not changed any of my sizes. I mean, I'm trying these clothes on and figuring out that I've gotten really fluffy. Yeah, these are brand new with tags. The retail on these is $70 and the ThredUp price is only $19.99. These are a real clean, kind of a medium wash denim, clean all the way down. Really nice. I'm so disappointed that these didn't work because the price on these is excellent for a brand new pair of skinnies. Sadly, I have to send these back. Next up is Banana Republic. This is a wool blazer. It has a bit of a puff sleeve too, if you can see that, and a pretty wide lapel with a notched collar, one button closure, and it is fully lined. It's a really pretty color too with some baby blue woven through it, but it's a little bit tight. I think it looks okay unbuttoned, but buttoned, it does look a little tight. The estimated retail value on this one is $198. The ThredUp price is $26.99. I would really like to keep this blazer. This blazer is very well made. It feels like high quality, but it does not fit me perfect, and so I'm going to send it back. I cannot fill my closet at this time with clothing that might fit someday. Sadly, this one's going back. Next up, we have J. Crew, which happened to be a perfect fit in my estimation. This is kind of a peachy coral color sweater. It's a lightweight sweater, but it's actually a perfect weight, I think, for me. This would be great for layering, or it could be worn on its own. It's got the crew neck there and ribbing through it. Sweater is in very good condition. The retail on this sweater, $107. ThredUp's price is $26.99. I'm strongly considering keeping this one because it is a great fit. It's J. Crew. It shows no signs of wear, but truthfully, I get my sweaters from J. Crew for around the $80 price point, but I still think that $26 for this one is a good price. Next up is a trench. This is a lightweight trench coat by Suit Studio. So you can see the pattern on that. And I really like this one. The retail on this trench is $74. The ThredUp price is only $14.99. Now, I like the fit of this one. This one is brand new as well. And I say that either it's brand new or had no wear on it. And okay, that's just me being a detective because the pockets have never been released. I don't know about you, but when I get a jacket that the pockets are stitched shut, I immediately open them because I use my pockets in jackets. I think this is a steal for $14.99, basically $15 for this trench. I like that it's a lighter color as well because so many of my winter jackets are a darker color. Like I said, this isn't for warmth. This is more of a fall lightweight type of jacket. I love it. $14.99. I have to add this one to my collection. Okay, next up is a Fun to Fun top, and a lot of subscription boxes send Fun to Fun. It's a brand that I know and love. It's such a beautiful color. I think this would look wonderful with white denim. But sadly, this is too tight too. This is 100% rayon, and this has been worn and washed, and I suspect it has shrunk because it is just too snug around my hips. I could buy this and wear this tucked in, but I don't like to buy anything that is restricted in the way that I use it. So yeah, this one's going back. Next up, White House Black Market. Yes, we have this little cardigan. I like this because it does have some kind of shimmery silver threading through it, so it's perfect for the holiday season. It's a button-up, short kind of crew cardigan. I just don't like the fit of it on me. The estimated retail on this is $88. ThredUp's price is $27.99. I don't like it enough to keep it. at any price. Next up is this trench by Taylor Loft. This is a black trench with the white polka dots on it. Again, this one has not been worn. It does not have tags on it, but the pockets, again, have not been released. So no one's put their hands in this pocket. And this is a beautiful jacket, a fun jacket as well. This is a lightweight trench. There is no belt on this one, which I kind of appreciate. So you don't have to worry about losing the belt, or belts always look funny too when you're wearing your jacket open. So I like this one a lot. I think this is a fun jacket, but this again is a lightweight, almost a fall jacket. And this is the most expensive piece in this box. Retail on this one is $188 and ThredUp price is $44.99. So for $45 for this trench, gosh, this one's going to be hard to decide. I mean, if I was getting this in a subscription box for $45, I would be all over it. But because it's secondhand, I'm questioning whether or not I should purchase it. And yet, I know it has not been worn before. So it really is like new. Little help. The last jacket that I tried today is by Isabella DeMarco, and this feels a little vintage-like to me. I love these great big buttons. I just think that is excellent, and the chevron pattern. This is a heavier jacket. This could be a winter jacket, although it does not feel bulky at all. Now, we've got the buttons going up it, but there's no closure right at the neck. I don't know, is it meant to be like that? I'm not sure about the wear on this one. This is in excellent condition. I see no signs of wear. Oh, yes, I did. On the inside, when you put your hand in this sleeve, there was a hole as if perhaps someone's wedding ring had snagged it. That was the only sign of wear. And I'm not sure about this belt either. This is a real stiff faux leather belt. I think the look is great with the leather belt, but because it's not a soft belt, it would always have to be belted. This jacket's meant to be worn belted, and either you take this off if you want to wear it open, or you wear it belted all the time. I like this one a bunch too. The regular price on this one is $71, and the ThredUp price is only $22.99. This is going to be a hard box. I guess I'm lucky because my fit issues prevent me from keeping everything. I got some great options here at really wonderful prices. So I really like the plaid Moda International jacket. That one is warm, it's funky, it's right up my alley. I love the Suit Studio trench, and I kind of like this one as well. This is going to be hard. That J. Crew sweater needs to stay with me. What do you think about the Lilise? Let me know if you had a favorite piece out of this box. I have a few days to decide before I have to get this back to the post office, so I look forward to your comments. Could you give this video a thumbs up? Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I will have another one coming out. Hopefully it will be soon. Until we meet again, blessings to all of you.